Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with USAA for credit card account management, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for a USAA credit card account, start by visiting the official USAA website. Locate the Log On button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the Log On button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the Not a Member? Join USAA link. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, and email address. You will need to verify your identity, typically by providing your Social Security number or USAA member number. After entering your information, choose a secure username and password. Double-check your entered information for accuracy before submitting. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email from USAA. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verifying, return to the USAA homepage to log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section. Here, you can add your credit card by entering your card details. Follow all prompts to link your credit card to your account. Once linked, you can manage your credit card account online. You can check your balance, view transactions, and make payments at any time. For additional assistance, use the Help section on the USAA website. For mobile access, consider downloading the USAA mobile app for easier management. That concludes the registration process for managing your USAA credit card account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.